I'm going to need a participant for the next act. A participant, s'il vous plaît, someone who reads in English. Please, right here. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our next guest. Our next guest who will be reading. Would you take this chair? Come right here behind me. What's your name? Veronica, nice to meet you. Just right behind me. I'm gonna leave you here to read for our guests. Something. Ah, sick. Okay. Let's. We have Kafka's The Castle. We have Knots. We have. Okay, you get to choose. We have Anais Nin. We have André Malraux. We have Anthony and Cleopatra by Shakespeare. We have An Introduction to Contemporary Art. We have Religion and the Rise of Capitalism. We have The Myth of Sisyphus and other essays by Albert Camus. We have Opium. Let's separate these by language. This is Rabetoire. You can pick a book, yes. We have an Alcohol Distributor's Handbook. We have Alexis de Tocqueville's Democracy in America. We have Flaubert's Dictionary of Accepted Ideas. This could be cool. This is sick. This is cool. I don't really read very good, but I like to collect books. Just choose. What's your name?
Veronica.
Veronica. Go to the letter V.
Okay.
Find the letter V and then just read it for me, okay?
I'm not finding any.
Can you get close up? Where's the... Tom, do we have a close-up on camera number 3?
Okay, so once I find the letter V, do I just read the sentence?
Oh, no. This one's actually... This one is really... Absurd creation goes hard. Absurd man. This is really hard. Will you put the microphone to my mouth? Sorry. Okay, this is The Myth of Sisyphus by Albert Camus. We have a short story called... what do you want? Art of Creation. Absurd Creation. No, this is long. The Myth of this one. Read that.
What do I read? Just the beginning? Okay.
And when you want to stop, just find someone else to read it.
Sure, okay. The myth